Hello everyone, good morning. Today our topic is surface active agent. What is surface active agent? This surface active agent increase surface tension on this surface, so that is surface active agent. So these are cationic surfactant. So this cationic surfactant dissociated into large and relatively complex cation, which is responsible for antiseptic activity and smaller inactive anion. So it is known as cationic surfactant. So these are two examples of surface active agent. These benzalkonium chloride and citrimide are commonly used as cationic surfactant or surface active agent having bactericidal activity. Now next, first example is benzalkonium chloride. So what is benzalkonium chloride? So it is a very important question. In question paper asks what is a benzalkonium chloride with structure. So first of all, what is benzalkonium chloride? They are commonly used as cationic surface active agent having bactericidal activity. So this is a benzalkonium chloride. Now, it is a structure of benzalkonium chloride. This is quaternary ammonia compound. So, this is a benzene ring, and this benzene ring attach paraposition quaternary ammonium compound and chlorine atom is here. So, it is a structure of benzalkonium chloride. Next, what is physical properties of benzalkonium chloride? So first, color, it is white or yellowish white amorphous powder. Odor, aromatic like aroma. Taste is bitter. What is solubility? Highly soluble in water. So it is physical properties of benzalkonium chloride. So now, what is uses of this benzalkonium chloride? So it is used for disinfection of intact or unbroken skin, irrigation of bladder and urethra, for storing sterilized surgical instrument. Means what? Intact और unbroken skin डिसइंफेक्शन के लिए यूज़ करने पड़ते हैं बेंजलकोनियम क्लोराइड, और इरिगेशन ऑफ ब्लैडर एंड यूरेथ्रा फॉर स्टोरिंग स्टरलाइज सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट. सो इट इज़ फिजिकल एंड यूजेस ऑफ बेंजलकोनियम क्लोराइड. नेक्स्ट, citrimide. So what is the physical properties of citrimide? So color is white powder, odor is characteristic. Now taste is soapy, that is foam like taste or soap like taste. Solubility, very soluble in water and alcohol. Water and alcohol में citrimide soluble होते हैं. It is very soluble, it is completely dissolved. Next, now uses of citrimide. So first use is, it is a non-toxic antiseptic and detergent. Yes, definitely citrimide is non-toxic and antiseptic disinfectant. What is used for a treatment of wounds and burns, for pre-operating cleansing of skin, and a removal of scars and crust in skin disease. So it is uses of citrimide. And in that question, so write down the physical properties and uses of citrimide. Now last class is miscellaneous. This last class of antiseptic and disinfectant. So it is a one of example of nitrofurantoin. So what is nitrofurantoin? First of all, physical properties. So color is yellow crystalline powder, odor odorless, taste bitter, solubility very slightly soluble in water, alcohol soluble in dimethyl formamide. Yes, it is a crystalline powder, like a crystal like structure or crystalline powder. Yes, odor is odorless, it is no odor. Taste is bitter like taste. What solubility? Yes, very slightly soluble in water and alcohol, means water and alcohol में very slightly soluble होते हैं, और completely soluble in dimethyl formamide. डाईमिथाइल फॉर्मामाइड में नाइट्रोफ्यूरांटोइन सॉल्युबल होते हैं, डिजॉल्व होते हैं. Now, what is uses of nitrofurantoin? So first is it is also antibacterial activity. Yes. So what these nitrofurantoin kill or inhibit bacteria. So it is a important use is antibacterial activity. Next important rule, it is used as a local application for superficial wounds and urinary tract infections. लोकल अप्लाइड करते हैं फॉर सुपरफिशियल बाउंड्स और यूरिनरी ट्रैक इन्फेक्शन के लिए नाइट्रोफ्यूरांटोइन यूज़ करते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ मिसलेनियस. सो in that question paper, ask question, write down the discuss nitrofurantoin drug. Okay. And yes,